Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, we always think that what type of nutrient we should give to our hydroponic system or plant to get the best growth and get the maximum yield. So plants require number of elements for their growth. There are 35 different elements identified till date for the plant growth, and all this requirement of this element varies with the plant species and the surrounding conditions. For the optimum growth of plant, we need to carefully balance all these elemental nutrients so that plant gets their requirement in a perfect manner. But that require a good skill and deep knowledge of chemistry and maths to calculate all those formulas. To make it easy, you can purchase a ready-made nutrient solution from the market. Those are available in the name of solution A and solution B. You simply take that nutrient solution and grow your plant. But the negative part of this ready-made solution is those are very expensive and our production cost per plant goes very high. If you are not a commercial grower and you are doing hydroponics for the home use, or you are a hobbyist, then alternatively you can formulate this nutrient solution very easily at your home, and that is also at very low cost. So in this video I am going to show you a simple formula which you can use for your home growing or hobby growing, and it is not the perfect, but it is almost falling into the range where your plants grow reasonably well and give you the good produce. So to know in detail how to formulate this nutrient solution, stay connected till the end. Let's start the video. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So friends, now let us start making this nutrition solution for our hydroponic system. So for that, we have taken this 20 liter of the water. We have taken the RO water. RO water has by default the pH of 7. But if you don't have RO, then you can also use the tap water. But you need to check that water, what is its pH. Before mixing any nutrient, we must take the pH to 7. So to measure the pH, I just show you for your knowledge. We will take some water. We have this pH solution. It is marked with different color related to different pH level. So we will just add a drop of it, and you can see that this color is almost parrot green. So this is around 7. As this is RO, it is 7. But if your tap water has pH higher than this 7, then you can add any acid available into the home. You can either use the citric acid or you can use the vinegar to bring down the pH. You can even use a lemon to bring down this pH. Once our pH level is okay, then we will start adding the nutrient. So first, I am going to give you a measurement for the 10 liter of the water. So if you want to make more of the solution, you can simply multiply that and make your solution in your required quantity. We must have the 19 around 10 grams. So instead of mixing it directly to the solution, we'll take some water, then we'll measure this 10 gram of 19. So we need to level this spoon like this. So this is the 10 gram of 19. We'll take some water. We'll add this 19. Once it is fully diluted, then we will add to our solution. So you can see that now it is diluted fully. So now we will add this to our water. And stir it with the stick for mixing it well. Next, we'll take some Epsom salt. So in 10 liter, Epsom salt is half the quantity of the 19. So we have this 5 gram spoon. So we are taking 5 gram Epsom salt. Again, it's a level. So this is a 5 gram of Epsom salt. We'll follow the same procedure for mixing. So we'll stir it till it completely dissolve. So now it has been dissolved completely. So now we can add this to our solution. Again, we need to stir it so that it mix well in the solution. So next, we are going to add this micronutrient. So we need to remember that the calcium nitrate to be added last, as calcium nitrate will react with the other nutrient into the formulation and precipitate out many of the things. So we need to ensure that once every nutrient is diluted, fully dissolved into the water, then we should add. Now micronutrient, we need to take only 10th part of this 19, that is 1 gram. So this is 2.5 gram spoon. So we will take roughly the half spoon of this micronutrient. So you can see that this is roughly half spoon micronutrient are there. So we'll mix that well also. So now it is dissolved. So we can add it to the solution. Now this is what a solution B, what we get from the market. Solution A contains the calcium nitrate. So after complete dissolving this all the nutrient, we'll add calcium nitrate. Now calcium nitrate, I have this 50% solution. Normally calcium nitrate requires the same amount as the Epsom salt, but here we'll take the double the amount, as this is the 50% solution. So we'll take 10 ml. So we simply take this solution, 50% solution, 10 ml. You can see this full of 10 ml, and we'll add to this water. So here we complete our hydroponic solution preparation. So after the solution is ready, we need to again check it for its pH. So now we require a pH of 6. So we'll follow the process, same process. We add a drop of pH solution. And you can see that our color is around yellow, and yellow is showing a 6. So we are roughly around 6 pH solution with us. So this is a perfect solution. So what we have got, if the pH is not nearby the 6, then we can again adjust this either by adding acid or the base. Acid, again we can use that available into home, citric acid, or we can use the vinegar or lemon. And for raising the pH, we can use the soda which we are using for the food. While procuring this nutrient from the market, we must ensure that all the nutrients are water soluble and or the foliar spray grade nutrient. This will dissolve this completely. If we use a general purpose nutrient, then it will not dissolve it completely and it will disturb our formula. So with this simple formula, you can use for your hydroponic system, whether it is NFT, DFT or DWC. You can use the same solution for spraying into your media tray or media baskets. So what do you think about this formulation? Write me into the comment and also suggest anything you want more on this. I am going to make a plant-based specific formula by calculating and weighing each independent nutrient to the perfect level into the upcoming time. But for now, we'll use this and grow our plants easily. Thank you.